Confused by either and neither? I'll clear it up in just 2 minutes. Either means one or the other, not both. Used in positive or neutral ideas. For example, you can have either coffee or tea. That means choose one. In negative sentences, I do not like either movie means I don't like movie A or movie B. Neither means not this one and not that one, so 0. Used in negative ideas. For example, neither restaurant was open. That means both were closed. You can also say, neither of them speaks French. That means person A and person B both don't speak French. Use neither when you're talking about two things. For example, neither restaurant was open. Use none when you're talking about more than two. Like, none of the restaurants were open. Just remember, neither is for two and none is for 3 or more. Let's compare either and neither. Either means one or the other, not both. For example, I'll take either seat. Neither means not one and not the other means 0. Like, neither seat is comfortable. Let's practice, choose the correct word. You can pause the video if you need. Let's check the answers. Number 1, I don't like either answer. That means both answers are bad. Number 2, you can sit on either side. So, left or right both are fine. And number 3, neither of them passed the exam. That means no one passed, 0 people. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something new, give the video a like and try writing your own sentence in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe or follow for more simple grammar lessons.